Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Miss Benzia's. I'm literally obsessed with this hairstyle. I saw Khloe Kardashian in her like pregnancy pictures or whatever with her, like, it was like this, but it was much more like professionally, but like it looks okay, like, right? Yeah, I love it. Okay, anyways, so today I wanted to do my makeup because I had off, and why not just do your makeup on an off day? Like, what else are you gonna do? Nothing. So yeah, I was thinking of doing like you know, like those like looks that most like natural type of looks that girls and guys do, like it's like browns in the crease and then like a matte white on the lid, like what I did here. Blah. And then I had to be extra and add glitter and a rhinestone and some big ass lashes. I was about to not even rock lashes today, but I did it. So I wanted to record the process of this with you guys, so let's just get straight into it. Oh my god, today was horrible with my makeup. I literally started over like 12 times. This eye, just say a prayer for the eye because it's literally burning to death. To death. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Modern Renaissance. The infamous, no, the famous, not infamous. Infamous is bad. I knew that one. And I'm gonna go in with burnt orange and just straight into my crease. I'm gonna get closer for you guys. Oh my god. I'm just buffing this in. Taking a little bit more, putting it on the outer V. I always do that with like every look. No matter what I'm doing, I always take it on the outer V just to make everything blend more seamlessly in together. This lighting is like not helping me today. Alright, and then I'm going with a more dense brush. Don't look at my pinky. Don't even look at my nails. Like, ugh. Like this brush. And I'm gonna go in with raw sienna. It's a little bit deeper and brownier than burnt orange. So, story time about this fucking eye today. I wanted to do a very like orangey look today, and God was not having it. I started doing the orange look, looked like shit, and I was like, okay, how about I do like a bubblegum-ish look, like type of look there, and that's it. Did you guys see that? And then I did a bubblegum-y look. Mind you, I wiped the first look off with a fucking makeup wipe, which burned my fucking eyes. No, in that first look, I used a NYX glitter, like a liquid glitter, and it burned my fucking eyes, like, to death and back. Like, I was like, what the fuck is actually going on with you, NYX? But it's whatever. Like, it was like $2, so that answers your question. What the fuck is wrong with it? It's cheap. It's not gonna be the best, but whatever. That's actually not true, because I have a lot of cheap makeup that does amazing. So take that back. Rewind. Cut that out. Bye. Okay. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, then I did like a pinky bubblegummy look, and that didn't turn out. Psych, bitch, I thought. And then I was just like, bitch, I'm just gonna do something natural. My eyes are literally killing me, so just doing something natural. Okay. Going with concealer on my lid. I need a mirror. Good thing this nail broke off, because I literally cannot be fucked to use the brush for a concealer. So I'm just putting this on my lid to make it pop even more. Not that Anastasia shadows need it or anything. Because we all know Anastasia. The fuck was that? I meant to say we all know Anastasia shadows don't really need any primer. Bitch, they're bomb. So I'm going with Tempera in that palette. It's like a satin white. It's not exactly matte. It's not exactly like shimmery. It's very satiny, which I love. This is like literally my favorite white shade because it's not matte and it's not shimmery. It's literally like just the prettiest shade ever. So I'm doing more of burnt orange and blending the edges of that out. I did take warm taupe, I think. We're gonna take it anyways, whatever. And put it here. This is why I hate doing one eye off camera and one eye on camera, because you forget what the fuck you do. So it's like, so just going in, trying to make them look as similar as possible. I don't know about whatever. All right, I'm gonna get my lash glue ready for this lash. I'm using Miga's lashes in, I'll tell you guys in a bit. I'll tell you guys in a bit. I think my boyfriend's trying to get in my room right now. Care. He can wait. So I'm using House of Lashes lash glue. And then Miga's lashes in Devi. It's whatever. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Stila Magnificent Metal in Ballet Baby. And I'm putting this right here. I know how extra I am. Like, when I had this look done, just like without the glitter and the rhinestone, I was like, I need something else. So I got some more glitter and a rhinestone. It's literally always a hit or miss with these Stila Magnificent Metals because I had Kitten Karma and I love that one. Or it was Rose Gold Retro. Either or. And I love that one, and this one, Ballet Baby, it just like doesn't work with you. It's really annoying. It's like you go to put it on and then it takes off what's underneath, which is like, what are you doing, hun? Shit. I forgot my fucking tweezers. Well, bitch, you're on your own. I'm gonna use my fingers. Oh my god, I need my tweezers. Okay, I really can't do the rhinestone without tweezers, so I'm gonna end the video here. My lash is like falling off, so whatever. So you can just look at this eye and admire it. It's gorgeous. Well, I think it's gorgeous, so I think my boyfriend's right there, so I'm gonna go. Have a nice life, everyone. I love you. Bye. Mwah.